to pursue their dream of playing basketball. Coach Shiva Megon started online coaching classes for her student and has been dedicating all her time to train them with every passing day. And these kids have showed improvement and better results. All thanks to Coach Shiva.
Shiva ma'am. Shiva ma'am is a very good coach. Not even coach, she's an excellent coach. Her hard work and dedication have inspired me a lot. In these sessions, she's just training us the way she used to teach us on the basketball court. In these sessions, it seems just like she's standing behind us and correcting our all the mistakes. And thank you, ma'am, for your support.
My online training sessions with Shiva ma'am has been truly amazing. She's not only inspired me but also motivated me to be more passionate about the game of basketball. She constantly pushes me to become a better version of myself. Because of these challenging times, we had to shift our means of training, and even though our classes are online, I can still feel her presence. The knowledge Shiva ma'am has of basketball is truly unbelievable. I have improved in all aspects during these online training sessions, be it fitness or skills, and I thank Shiva ma'am for that.
I am very honored to take classes from Shiva ma'am. To be honest, I was very scared as to how we would do basketball online training because it has never happened before. But Shiva ma'am was so helpful and encouraging that I really look forward to it. And she not only taught us how to dribble a ball or basic footwork, but she also taught me to never accept defeat and to try again whenever I fail. And I think this has really helped me and taught me many things. Thank you so much, Shiva ma'am.
I played in the low post position and I am a rebounder. I never got to do the ball handling skills. I never got the training to do it, and I just don't know. I never knew how to do the ball handling skills until I met Shiva ma'am. She taught me the ball handling skills from scratch, everything from scratch. She improved my fitness, my posture, and now I realize why having a really good coach is so important to improve our game.
I've been training with Shiva ma'am for quite some time now. I'm very fortunate to have her as my basketball coach. I've developed my overall game due to her coaching. Even in this pandemic period and lockdown period, she is giving us online classes so that we can continue our practice, and I'm very thankful for that.
According to me, Shiva ma'am is like a guide showing me the path to my destination. Ma'am teaches us in new techniques. She has helped me in improving my handles, fitness, strength, and my shooting form. I feel like a new player after training with her for a few months. Everything is good. She pushes us to our limits and helps to exceed them. She is a great coach.
Saying anything about Shiva ma'am is like she's such a well-known and reputed person, and I just feel really privileged that I'm getting this opportunity to be trained by her, and she's such an amazing and brilliant coach that I feel I'm getting the best training right now, and I think it's gonna be really helpful for me in my future, and it's gonna be. And she's such an esteemed personality. To be trained by her, it's my honor. And it's so nice of her that she's taking classes even in this pandemic virtually. She's giving such an exposure to all the players out there, and she's also an amazing person as well, that whenever she takes classes I just don't realize when the 1 hour passes, and I can just extend my gratitude towards her, and that's all. And thank you.
My dream is to become a good basketball player and represent my country. Earlier, I was trained by Shiva ma'am on school ground, but due to COVID-19 and lockdown, all grounds were closed. But I didn't lose hope and started online training with ma'am. First, I thought that online training will be easy as compared to the training on ground, but I was totally wrong. I realized that it is working effectively as ma'am minutely checked my mistake, stop me and correct me on time. My strength improved a lot in this period as ma'am started weight training and box jump. Although Shiva ma'am trained me on camera, but it seems that she is standing in front of me. At the end, I want to thank Shiva ma'am for such a wonderful experience and continuing my training without any break. Thank you, ma'am.
Recently, I've started taking online coaching of basketball from Shiva ma'am, and it's like a dream come true for me. I never thought of it. I'll get to train under her, and she's teaching me. I am satisfied what I am doing under her. I'm very happy. मुझे बहुत खुशी है, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है कि मुझे शिवा मैम के अंदर ट्रेन करने का मौका मिल रहा है. And I assure ma'am, I'll always make you proud. I guess one of the best coaching for women I have ever seen is she. She's a role model for so many girls like me. I want to become like her. I want to make her proud, and yes, I'll surely do that. I love you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
I've been with Shiva ma'am for quite a short time now. I've seen a huge elevation in my game since I have been training with her. I've not seen anyone with such a deep knowledge about the game out here in India. Even during these times, she has been constantly training us online, making sure that we are getting better every single day. So it has been a great experience with her, and I hope we build this relationship which is way beyond basketball.
शिवा मैम एक बहुत अच्छी कोच है. मैं पिछले कुछ टाइम से उनके साथ ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ और मेरे को कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि जो मैम ट्रेन करवा रही हैं वो मेरे लिए बिल्कुल भी फ़ायदेमंद नहीं है. और जब भी मैं मैम के साथ ट्रेन करता हूँ और अगर मैं कोई चीज़ गलत कर देता हूँ तो मैम उसको वहीं ठीक कर देती है. इससे मेरे को आगे कंफ्यूजन भी नहीं होती.
She is a great coach not only because she taught me the basics of the basketball and how to dribble, but she taught me to be punctual and to be disciplined and take things seriously. And she also showed my potential that I can do better in basketball. So thank you, ma'am, for all your help. Thanks again, ma'am.
I'm asked again and again the same question, that how am I able to train the players in the current scenario when everybody is locked down at home. Yes, it is difficult, but it is not impossible. Every year we have an off season, whereas after the long year you get an off season where you work on your fitness. So this is, this situation is kind of that situation only, where you have this long time without any pressure of performing. So you can, give as much as time on all the skills that you always wanted to improve, but the peer pressure of performing, you were not able to concentrate on that. So I mix a lot of fitness and strengthening exercises into it so that my players get fatigued. And with that fatigue, we do the skills. This helps the players to go to the next level. Thank you.
Coach Shiba has always been a person who has never backed down from any challenge that has come her way. She took this situation as an opportunity to show the world that when there is a will, there is always a way. Thank you, Coach Shiba, once again.